Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So today we are going to remind all the things we have learned in this third term. So this is a revision class. So you have to learn more about the topics today we discussed. So first one, in our question paper we know there are some dictation words. So let me tell you what are the dictation words present in this chapter. So the main dictation words are first one, paint. What is the spelling of paint? P-A-I-N-T. So you have to write paint and then study it very well. Okay. So what is the spelling of paint? P-A-I-N-T. P-A-I-N-T. So what is the spelling of paint? P-A-I-N-T. Then next pencil tool. So what is the spelling of pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Then T-O-O-L. Pencil tool. So in our paint program there are some tools used and some of the tools like pencil tool, eraser tool, then ready-made shapes, polygon tool, text tool, etc. So what is the spelling of pencil tool? P-E-N-C-I-L, then T-O-O-L. Then another important tool is eraser tool. Another important tool is what? Eraser tool. E-R-A-S-E-R. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser tool. T-O-O-L. So what is the spelling of paint? P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Then pencil tool. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. T-O-O-L. Tool. Pencil tool. Then next is eraser tool. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. So once again, what is the spelling of eraser? E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. T-O-O-L. Eraser tool. Okay. Then another tool is, then what is the use of an eraser tool? To remove the unwanted mistakes, remove the parts of the picture. Then next is keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. So first one paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Then next another tool is pencil tool. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. T-O-O-L. Tool. Pencil tool. Then eraser tool. Then keyboard. So you have to study more about what are the different tools used in a paint. So it's a short question. So you must study well. So what is that question? Name the tools used in paint program. So can you tell me what are the tools? Yes. What are they? Pencil tool. So keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. So you must study about the tools that is used in the paint program. That is, it must. So what are the tools? Pencil tool, eraser tool. Then what is the spelling of polygon tool? Polygon. What is the spelling of polygon? P-O-L-Y. P-O-L-Y. Poly. Then G-O-N. Polygon. Then T-O-O-L. Tool. Polygon tool. P-O-L-Y. G-O-N. T-O-O-L. Polygon tool. So paint. First one is paint. P-A-I-N-T. Then pencil tool. P-E-N-C-I-L. T-O-O-L. Pencil tool. Eraser tool. E-R-A-S-E-R. T-O-O-L. Eraser tool. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Then polygon tool. P-O-L-Y. Polygon. G-O-N. Polygon tool. T-O-O-L. Then next is brush. What is the spelling of brush tool? Brush. B-R-U-S B-R-U-S-H. What is the spelling of brush? B-R-U-S-H. 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 Once again, B-R-U-S-H. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush tool. Then another important one is, what is the spelling of cursor? Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. What it is? Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. Cursor is a what? So the question is, name the blinking marker present in the typing window. What is that? Name the blinking marker or blinking line present in the typing window. What is that? Cursor. So it is an important question. Name the, so question is, name the blinking line present in the typing window. That is cursor. What is its spelling? C-U-R-S-O-R. C-U-R-S-O-R. Then next important thing is enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Enter key. What is the spelling of enter key? E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. So we now discuss the 7 words. What are they? First one, paint. P-A-I-N-T. Second one, pencil tool. P-E-N. Pencil. C-I-L. Pencil. T-O-O-L. Tool. Pencil tool. Then next one is eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. T-O-O-L. Tool. Eraser tool. Then keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Then enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Enter key. Then polygon tool. P-O-L-Y-G-O-N. T-O-O-L. Polygon tool. Then brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush tool. Then cursor. Blinking line present in the typing window. That is cursor. Then another important question is, what are the keys present in a keyboard? The name the important keys present in a keyboard. So what are the keys present in a keyboard? Yes, alphabetic key, then numeric key and cursor control key. So you must read and write it more times and then study well. So first one, alphabetic key. A-L-P-H-A. Alphabetic. B-E-T-I-C. Alphabetic key. K-E-Y. Alphabetic key. So once again, A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T-I-C. Alphabetic key. K-E-Y. Key. Alphabetic key. Okay, so what is the spelling of alphabetic key? A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T-I-C. Alphabetic key. K-E-Y. So how it spells? Alphabetic key. Alphabetic key. So first key present in the keyboard is alphabetic key. And another key is numeric key. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric key. K-E-Y. Key. So numeric key. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric key. K-E-Y. Key. Numeric key. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric. K-E-Y. Key. Numeric key. Then next one is cursor control key. Cursor spelling C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor control. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Cursor control key. K-E-Y. Cursor control key. So C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. C-O-N control, K-E-Y, key, cursor control key. So the three important keys present in keyboard are first one alphabetic key, second one numeric key, and the third one is cursor control key. So on the basis of cursor control key, there is an important question: how many arrow keys are present in a keyboard? How many arrow keys? How many arrow or cursor control key? How many arrows or cursor control keys? How many arrows? 4 arrows. 4. How many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys. What are they? Up arrow. U-P. Up. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Up arrow. So the question is how many arrow keys? How many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys. What are they? Or we can say cursor control keys. How many cursor control keys? 4 keys. First one up arrow. And the second one is down arrow, D-O-W-N, down, A-R-R-O-W, down arrow. Then third one is right arrow, R-I-G-H-T, right, A-R-R-O-W, arrow, right arrow. And the last one is left arrow, L-E-F-T, A-R-R-O-W, left arrow. So the question here is how many arrow or cursor control keys? How many cursor control keys? 4. What are they? Up arrow. What is its spelling? U-P. Up. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Up arrow. And the second one is down arrow. D-O-W-N. Down. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Down arrow. And the third one is right arrow. What is the spelling of right? R-I-G-H-T. Right. A-R-R-O-W, arrow, so right arrow. And the fourth one is left arrow, L-E-F-T, then A-R-R-O-W, arrow, so left arrow. So how many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys. What are they? Up arrow, then second one down arrow, then next one right arrow and left arrow. Then next important topic in this 2 chapters is, so once again your portions are chapter 6 and chapter 7. So read and write each of the words and question answers carefully and write, and then write more and more times, then study well. So next one is so the question, which is the longest key in the keyboard? Which is the longest key? So next here is, which is the longest key? Which is the longest key in a keyboard? Which is the key? Yes, that is space bar. S-P-A-C-E, space, B-A-R, bar, space bar, S-P-A-C-E, space, B-A-R, bar, space bar. Space bar is the longest key in the keyboard. What is the longest key? Space bar. Space bar key is the longest key in the keyboard. Then next one, what is a paint program? What is a paint program? What is a paint program? A paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. So what is paint program? Paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint, P-R-O-G-R-A-M, program, I-S is, U-S-E-D used, T-O-2, paint program is used to draw, D-R-A-W, draw, and color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Once again, what is paint program? Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Then another important topic or the question is how to open paint program. How to open paint program. So how to open paint program? Yes, start all programs, accessories, paint. Start all programs, accessories, then paint. So these are the steps for opening a paint. And the next question, name some tools used in the paint program. Then name two typing programs. So what are the two typing programs? MS Word, then Notepad, then WordPad, etc. So what are the main typing programs? You have to study MS Word and WordPad. MS Word, MS Word, W-O-R-D, MS Word. WordPad, W-O-R-D, Word, P-A-D, Pad, WordPad. So these are the very important questions. What is a paint program? Paint program is used to draw and color pictures. Then steps for opening paint program, that is start. Then next start all programs. Then accessories, paint. Start all program, accessories, paint. Then next, how many arrow or cursor control keys? That is 4. Then what are they? Up arrow, down arrow. Then next, left arrow, right arrow. Then read the true or false question. I am the space bar key and I erase. I am the space bar key and I erase. So say true or false. I am the space bar key and I erase. So space bar key is used to give a spaces between the words, and it is not used for erasing the mistakes or erasing the part of a picture or erasing the letters. So it is false. Then next one, I am the caps lock key. When on, I type in small letters. When the caps lock key is on, then we can write in capital letters, not small letters. So that is false. Then next, I am a numeric key. When I press the I, type A. So numeric key means it is related to numbers, not letters or text. So this is false. Numeric key, when pressed, it types numbers. Then I am an alphabetic key. When pressed, I type B. Yes, it's correct. That is, alphabetic key is used to type letters. Then I am the backspace key. I erase. So can you tell me it is true or not? Yes, it's true. Backspace key is used to erase the letters. So that is true. I am an enter key. When pressed, I move the cursor to next line. What is the function of enter key? To move the cursor to the next line. Move cursor to next line. So that is true. Then next one. So what are the keys? alphabet key, numeric key, cursor control key. So there is the question, dash keys have A to Z alphabets printed on them. So tell me the answer. Dash keys have alphabets printed on them. So dash keys have A to Z alphabet. Keys have A to Z alphabets printed on them. Which key have A to Z alphabets? That is alphabet key. What is the spelling? A L P H B E T. Alphabet. A L P H A B E T. A L P H A B E T. Alphabet keys have A to Z alphabets printed on them. And the next one is the dash key is pressed when pressed while typing will send the cursor to new line. So which is the key is used to move the cursor to the next line? What is that? Enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to next line. Cursor to next line. What is the key? Eraser key. Sorry, enter key. E-N-T-E-R. K-E-Y. Key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Then next one. Dash is like an eraser. So what is that? Dash is like an eraser. Backspace key. B-A-C-K. Back. S-P-A-C-E. Backspace. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. S-P-A-C. Back. Space. S-P-A-C. Space. Key is like an eraser. Is like an eraser. So once again look here, which keys look like an eraser, which key is like an eraser? Backspace. B-A-C-K. Back. S-P-A-C-E. Space. So backspace. Okay. Then next one. Dash key is used to, dash tool is used to draw thick or thin lines. Brush tool is used to draw thick or thin lines. So the question is, dash tool is used to draw thick or thin lines. Which is the correct answer? Brush tool. B-R-U-S-H. Brush tool is used to draw thick and thin lines. Then next one. Match the following. So look here, first one, what is its function? This is a brush tool and it is used to drawing straight lines. Then pencil tool to draw thin lines. Then filling colors, fill with color tool and erasing lines for rubber. Then rearrange and write the correct name of the tools. So that is first one, HR BUS, brush, BRUSH. So rearrange the words correctly. And what is that tool? Find out the tool. So what is the tool here? Brush, BRUSH, brush. The next one, GONYTOL. So what is that tool? Polygon. So what is its spelling? P, then O, then L, then Y, then G, O, N. Polygon. 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 Then next one is R, S, R. Then EAE. Eraser. What is that tool? Eraser. So ERASER. 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 Eraser tool. ERASER. Eraser tool. Then ILEN. Then PC. Pencil tool. So PEN. CIL, pencil, PENCIL, pencil tool, PENCIL, pencil tool. Then next step, so once again, what are the main words? Painter, eraser tool, keyboard, polygon tool, enter key, brush tool, cursor, then text tool, etc. Then next, rearrange the words. This is brush and polygon. Next, eraser, pencil. Then match the function and its tool. Then next, which key have A to Z alphabet? Alphabet key. Then which is the key when pressed while typing will send the cursor to new line? Enter key. Then which key is like an eraser? Backspace key. Then which is the longest key? Space bar key. Which is the key used to draw thin lines? Pencil tool. Then which is the keys used to draw thick or thin lines? Yes, brush tool. Then next, used to fill color in the shapes you draw, that is fill with the color tool. FILL, fill. WITH, fill with color. COLOR, color tool. Fill with the color tool. Then question, name the small blinking marker in the typing window is cursor. What is the spelling? CURSOR, cursor. Then next one, which is the longest key in the keyboard? Which is the longest key? Space bar. SPACEBAR, space bar. Then another important question, name two typing programs. Yes, MS Word, then Notepad, then next one WordPad, etc. Then name some tools or what are the tools present in the keyboard? Sorry, paint window. What are they? Brush tool, then pencil, then next polygon, then fill with color tool, then next eraser tool, etc. So okay. Then next one, another important question. then point to all programs, or you can write start, then all programs, then accessories, then paint, P-A-I-N-T. Then next one, how many arrow or cursor control keys? 4. What are they? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Then these are all important topics in these two chapters. So study well and all the best.